2 weeks ago, a hospital administration named Layla was drawing. She had 37 4 patients spread across 11 paper binders. She had missed 3 pills deadlines. She had no idea which doctor was overloaded, and her boss, the hospital director, had just sent her a single message: I need a full report by Monday. It was Friday afternoon. She had Excel, she had 2 days, and she had absolutely no clue where to start. She called me, and I and in the few minutes I will going to show you exactly what we building together. I full automate patient management system in Excel with real-time dashboards, auto track, billing alerts, and patient lookup tools, all link across 9 professional sheets. This is not a template you download and forget. This is a system you understand, you can customize. Now, subscribe the channel and like this video and continue. Let me start with the real world problem. Most clinical and smallest hospital are still running on the combination of paper record, stacked Excel file that don't talk to each other, and WhatsApp message between nurse and doctors. This is not system. This is a control choose. And when choose meets an emergency, a patient with no recorded appeal goes 3 months unpaid because nobody flagged it. Or doctor doesn't know a patient we already treated for the same conditional. That is when shoes stops being manageable and starts being dangerous. We need is one controlization system, one file, 9 conditional, 9 content system, 9 content sheets, and 0 ghosts work. Let me show you the structure first. We will go to deep every section. Section number 1, system overweight, where the artisanal of what we build it. The system has 9 sheets. Now you show dashboard number 1, sheet number 1, dashboard. Your command center every KPI at glance. Number 2, sheets of patient. Sheet patient for patient record up to 1000 entries. Sheet number 3, appointments, shoulder with automatic color coding. Number 4, lab results, test track with central alerts. Number 5, medicinal patient management with expired warning. Number 6, billing invoice tracking with the over highlight. Number 7, staff, doctor and nurse direct. Number 8, report auto generate analysis. Number 9, patient look up. Every single sheet is linked. Change patient name in sheet number 2. It automatically update in the dashboard, the lookup tool, and the report sheet. Section number 2, the dashboard. Let's open the dashboard. This first thing you see in the 6 KPI box at the top. Total patient active cases, discharge, critical, average stay, beds available. Total patient active cases, critical, bed available. These are not static number. I type is no in normally. Every single one of this live formula pulling from the patient sheets. Watch this. I will go to patient's sheets and change this patient states from active to discharged. This sheet patients. Okay. Now this patient active. Okay, I will change now this charge. Now I go back to dashboard. See character 1. Okay, I will this t-shirt dashboard. See the number update instantly. Active cases went down by 1. Discharge went up by 1. Okay, this is the kind of automate that used to require expensive software. We are doing it in Excel. Okay, all live, all automatic, all zero set up after you build it once, and write below that the 5 modes recently registers patients. Pure automatic, newest first. Layla saw section and directly said, this replaces the whiteboard we have in the hallway. Yes, it does. Sheet number 3, appointment. You can type ID and you can ID not type. Okay, you can type name patient ID automatically. For example, name patient Mark. Okay, automatically ID generate. Okay, appointment, you type appointment day and time, appointment and minutes, and you type the doctor and the department and type emergency and type confirm it or states what states. Sheet number 4, lab result. You can type name patient and ID lab generate automatic. For example, Mark, automatically generate ID lab. Okay, you can test date, test type, order by result value, units, normal, state as. This state you can choose from this. Okay, and notes, you can write notes here. Now medicinal, you can write name Mark, ID generate automatic. Okay, medicinal name, you can by doctor, you write this name doctor. Doesn't. For coins, start date, end date, you can type start and end date. Reveal left and state as active or completed or expired. the medicine. Billing, you can patient name, okay, generate ID, invoice data, you type this and type description and type amount and type answers covered. This is very important, man. Patient due and due date, and choose payment states and choose payment method and type notes. Okay, now we go to staff. You can type your staff names here and ID generator automatic. Rules can type here, department can type here, every single this type, okay, type, but patient assigner, this is automatically patient assign automatically, okay, no type here. And status, you can active or no active. Sheet reports active, this patient status breakdown. You know, no, never type here, okay. This sheets look, just look, okay. And patient look up, you can type ID patient here and you look professional information patient here, okay. You don't type anything here, you don't type, okay, just type patient ID, okay. This file downloading in description, link in description, okay. Download the file using the link in the description. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. And if you work in healthcare, share this with one colleague today, because somewhere out there is another Layla drawing in the paperwork on a Friday afternoon. Let's help her. See you in next video.